Hi guys, welcome back to Bike Update. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Kawasaki KX500 off-road bike. This legendary machine is set to return with major updates, and we're here to break down all the key details. If you're a motocross enthusiast, make sure to stick around for an in-depth look at what makes this bike a game-changer for off-road riders. Kawasaki KX500 Legacy. The Kawasaki KX500 has long been a favorite among serious off-road and motocross riders. Known for its incredible power and handling, the KX500 was a dominant force in the two-stroke category when it was last released. Now, Kawasaki's bringing it back, and fans are eager to see if the 2025 model will live up to its legendary status. 2025 updates and design. The 2025 KX500 will feature a mix of modern upgrades while maintaining its classic, aggressive performance. Kawasaki has taken advantage of new technology to refine the engine, suspension, and frame. Expect a lighter, more responsive chassis with improved aerodynamics for better stability on rough terrains. The bike will also come with a fresh aesthetic, giving it a more contemporary look while staying true to its off-road roots. Power and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KX500 is its powerful two-stroke engine, delivering insane power to take on the most demanding trails. Kawasaki has made tweaks to enhance throttle response, improve low-end torque, and refine overall performance. The bike promises faster acceleration and smoother handling, ensuring that riders can push harder on the track or trail without compromise. Suspension and handling. The suspension system on the 2025 KX500 has received significant upgrades. With a more advanced fork and shock setup, this bike will be ready to tackle anything from harsh bumps to sharp corners with greater control. Whether you're hitting jumps or powering through technical sections, the enhanced suspension will offer improved comfort and precision. Tech and features. The 2025 KX500 is expected to feature new tech for modern riders, including adjustable power delivery, digital diagnostics, and a more refined fuel management system. These features will give riders more control and allow them to fine-tune their bike for different riding conditions, making it versatile for both amateurs and seasoned professionals. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is shaping up to be an exciting return to form for this iconic off-road machine. With a blend of modern performance, classic power, and advanced technology, the KX500 will be a force to reckon with in the off-road world. We can't wait to see it hit the trails. Make sure to subscribe to Bike Update for more updates and reviews on the latest in the world of motorcycles.